so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous night o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the Rockies' red glare, the balls bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Thank you. National recording artist Matt Stook.
It was tough, let me tell you, to put this together, especially what's to come in the next 2 days. And I mentioned the Friday morning, the Friday evening is the same. We might do some hunting in the evening. Also Saturday, we're gonna rip it through the morning all the way to noon, and in about 2 o'clock on Saturday, we have about $12,500 worth of ammo. And we have about 63 machine guns, and the range is set up already. We do have about 500 pounds of explosive. We have a few M60 machine guns and 50 cows. So we have just about everything that you want to do, and please, it's for you guys.
And Dana will be jumping tomorrow and also jumping again at Skyball.
I think I'm gonna use this tomorrow. Yeah, I'm pumped up. Gonna get you a hog, huh? Not one, about 5.
tell you what, this was the time of my life. We caught 7 today. We went through the woods. We had to go through streams, up over fences. I'll be darned, one of the biggest ones we've seen all day run right in front of us. We unload them dogs, but we didn't let what do you call them, Rottweilers? The one that actually holds them down. We just had the dog catch the scent. So me and Brian took off, chased that sucker with no dogs holding it down. Me and him both took our knives out, caught him going in the water, jumped on top of him, killed him. Got him, and he's huge, man, huge. So I had the time of my life today, man. I know I got blood on my face, I'm nasty, but man, it's great. I'll never forget it.
Anybody that's willing to jump into a creek bed with electronics in the knees for legs and short them out to kill a hog deserves the top dog stalker award.
Yeah, it was great to stab a hog and get a African ram. Thanks to Dana and Kara to setting all this up and getting guys from myself all the way from North Carolina. So really appreciate it, and hopefully to see something else in the future. Thanks.
We're gonna blow some stuff up. It's gonna be real nice.
Yeah, that was way off though. I was shooting low like crazy.
Yeah, but you got bullseye.
Credit, but it's pretty easy with a machine gun. You just kind of point and shoot and don't let it go anywhere.
We had a great time. We was able to bring Boy out. We got to shoot some awesome weapons, some stuff like hadn't even shot in the Army. Got to go out and hunt the hogs, had a really good time. Can't wait till next year.
I've had the time of my life, and I just want to thank everybody that participated and supported us. And yay, it was awesome. Thank you.
adapt and overcome. Skydive, shot hogs, stabbed hogs, shot at a helicopter, shot at a range, more guns than I've probably ever shot, all types of different ones, and had a great time, a lot of smiles and a lot of happy memories.
One of the great thing about what I get to do isn't really it's not Delta Airlines. It's getting where I go and the people that I get to meet. And it's always my privilege to do is tell the story of what it is that y'all do to anyone who will listen. And I take that opportunity very seriously.
Absolutely a great weekend. For us Wounded Warriors to get together and to share an experience like this, a lot of us are come from a lot of different backgrounds, different things, and you get a chance to learn from each other and kind of do things you never ever expect to do. Stabbing a hog with a knife and then shooting the next day with a helicopter, and there's things you don't do. And, my dad went with me one day, and one of the greatest experiences, and my son went with me today, and just those are moments you'll never forget, and truly incredible. Great weekend. Can't wait to go again.
It was fabulous. We're out here in Texas, out in Mineral Wells, and we had a fabulous time with about 24 Wounded Warriors from all over the United States. We had active duty, we had Medal of Honors, we had helicopters, we killed hogs, guys jumped into the river. Chewy, the rest of the guys, matter of fact, they even shorted his leg out. He had an electronic leg on his right side. It was so fabulous. They all got to bag a hog from the aircraft with machine guns. Fabulous time. We had explosives, and it was just non-stop. 3 days of, you wouldn't believe, fellowship. We had an opportunity to harvest a lot of these hogs here in Texas where they're doing a lot of damage. Why not bring the guys out here and give back to them? And that's what it means. We want to thank each and every one of you that contributed and gave back to us. I want to thank you, the donors and all the donations, because without you, this wouldn't be able to be happening for them, because they have paid the ultimate sacrifice. We want to thank you. Halo for Freedom, Wounded Warrior Foundation, we thank you and we salute you. Hooah!